Welcome to Grill and Smoke BBQ. My name is Jeffrey. Today we're going to do an easy cook. We're just going to smoke a pork tenderloin. So let's do it. So like I said, we're going to smoke a pork tenderloin, and it's real simple. We only got 4 ingredients that we're going to use today. We're going to use some mustard as a binder. We're going to use the Sucker Busters Hog Waller as our rub. And we're going to come over top of that with the Cosmos Q hot cow cover. And then at the end, we're going to glaze it with some tiger sauce. So let's do it. So like I said, I'm just going to use mustard as the binder. Just have to get it everywhere. And our first layer is going to be the Sucker Busters Hog Waller. Make sure you get the sides. And we'll come over top of that with the Cosmos Q hot cow cover. We're going to turn it over, do the same thing to the other side. Okay, now we're gonna let that sit and sweat in for a few minutes while I get the Char-Griller Gravity 980 up to the cooking temp of 250 degrees. And what I will be using today was sent to me by FBBL, which is a wireless smart meat thermometer. And it comes in this nice bamboo charger. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert this into the pork loin so I can keep up with the temp. I want to get it up to an internal of about 145. Then I'll be pulling it off. See you at the smoke. Okay, so the grill is up to 250 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and place this in here. And we'll check back on it in about 30 minutes. As you can see, the thermometer is saying that the meat is at 49.1 degrees right now. We're going to try to get that up to about 145. All right, it's been 30 minutes. We're looking pretty good. I don't really see a need to do much right now. So I'm just going to let it keep going and check back in another 20 to 30 minutes. Right now, the app is saying that we're at about 83.5 degrees with our target temp of 145. So we'll see what's going on. All right, so we've been on here for a total of 50 minutes. looking a little dry, so I'm gonna spray it with some spray butter. And I'll also get a temp on this. It's reading about 104. 109, about 115, but the thermometer in there saying it's 84, so that's not looking too good. Anyway, we'll check back on it, get about 20 more minutes. All right, so it's been another 20 minutes, total of 1 hour and 10 minutes. And it's looking good. I'm just gonna touch it up a little bit with some more of this butter. And we're gonna let it go about another 20 minutes. And the app for that thermometer is now showing 119.5. And I figured out why it was off, and I'll talk about that before the video is over. All right, so it's actually been another 30 minutes. So we've been on here and it's looking good still. The app is saying that it's at about 132. So it's only got about 13 more degrees to go. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna sauce this with some tiger sauce. I'm gonna check back in 5 more minutes. Okay, it's been another 5 minutes. Still looking good. I'm gonna put this on here one more time. And we'll let this go until it hits 145, which right now we're at about 140. Okay, so I wanted to go ahead and give the review on this wireless thermometer. Now I will say that the instruction manual did say that if it was on with the lid closed, that it would probably only reach about 20 feet. So I have to agree with that. This, unless you're gonna be outside with your cook, if you're gonna have a lid on it, this is not gonna reach far. But it does say with the lid open, it reach about 163 feet. So I didn't try that. All I need to know is that with the lid closed, I would not be able to use this if I'm not sitting outside with it. But the temperatures were accurate on it. So I would say it's a good thermometer if you plan on sitting outside with it, or if you plan on having your cook without a lid on it. But other than that, I don't think it's really for me because I don't always sit outside, but it's a nice option to have. Okay, so we've wrapped up the cook. We got the pork loin up to 145, took it off. We let it rest for 10 minutes. And now it's time to do the best part of the cook, which is to taste it. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. As we can see, we're just gonna go ahead and cut it right down the middle. And take a look at it. As you can see, it's cooked all the way through. It's still juicy in there. And we're just gonna take a couple slices and then we're gonna taste it. Looks good. It's dripping. Yep. So get a piece of this and get this taste over. So let's see what we taste like. Actually good. Do you like a piece? Let my daughter get a piece. Man, that tastes real good. That tiger sauce at the end, that sweet heat. Yeah, I put it on the top. But as always, thank you for joining me today. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, give a thumbs up, leave a comment. And until next time, also let me know if you want me to cook something. I'll see if I can get it done. So till next time, I'll see y'all later. I'm out.